Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2008 Hummer H3. The engine coolant fluid reservoir is easy to check and replenish on this vehicle. This allows you to keep an eye on the fluid level regularly. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the fluid dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The engine air filter is easy to access, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access. These fasteners are easy to disengage. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the lower radiator hose, you'll have to remove a few panels for access. This will require a few tools, and for you to crawl under the vehicle to complete. The rear wiper blade is difficult to replace, as you'll need a tool to complete. This is also a tight fit to replace the blade. To remove the battery, you will first have to remove the terminals, and then remove the battery bracket. This is a slightly different order than usual, and can be confusing for car owners. Overall, the 2008 Hummer H3 is a relatively easy car to maintain when compared to other similar models.